continue to protest in Delhi's old Rajinder Nagar after the tragic death of 3 UPSC aspirants. This comes after 3 students died due to drowning in the basement of the coaching centre in Delhi's old Rajinder Nagar on July 27. Students at the protest site demanded the resignation of Delhi LG. Meanwhile, let's listen into what the students have said at the protests.
जो कार निकली थी कल, उस दिन जब कार निकली थी हादसे वाले दिन, उसके ऊपर FIR कर दी, केस चला दिया। सर आज बारिश हुई है, आज पूरा बेसमेंट भर गया है। सर LG को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए, MCD कमिश्नर को सस्पेंड करना चाहिए, MCD मेयर के ऊपर केस चलना चाहिए, MCD कमिश्नर के ऊपर केस चलना चाहिए, सबको सस्पेंड करना चाहिए। सर हम छात्र यहाँ पे संघर्ष कर रहे हो, तब तक करते रहेंगे, जब तक न्याय नहीं मिलेगा।
एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन यहाँ पर करप्ट है। सारा एग्जीक्यूटिव LG कंट्रोल कर रहा है। LG को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए। LG को इस्तीफा देना चाहिए। सर 4 दिन में दिल्ली सरकार के ऐसे बहुत कम ही लोग हैं जो यहाँ पर ना आए, पर आप अभी भी यहाँ की हालत देख सकते हैं।
All right, so there you heard it, viewers. Meanwhile, joining us at this point of time is my colleague Shubh Rana. Shubh, students still protesting after the deaths of 3 UPSC aspirants. Take our viewers to the demands that they're making.
Yes, definitely, Asavri. 4 continuous days and the protest continues. And what students have been saying, they are demanding the resignation of MCD mayor, Delhi LG, and the MCD commissioner and Amadni and Delhi ministers who are responsible for this cause. But in response to that, yesterday Delhi minister Atishi have reached there, and also with the Delhi mayor Shaili Oberoi have also reached that place where the students are protesting outside the Rouse IAS Institute, where they have made sure that inquiry is being done and the junior engineers are suspended who were supposed to clear the drainage system. Due to that, 3 students have been brutally killed in that scene. But in response to that, students are very angry. They have been saying in one voice that they are being treated like criminals. It's been more than 4 days when they have been sitting like that. And yesterday, when rain have showered in the national capital, there were very strong visuals which were coming in when students sat in the place and they have did all the sloganeering which they can do about the resignation of MCD commissioner. Because yesterday when Delhi Minister Atishi have gone to visit that place, then she have met with the UPSC aspirants and she have had a word with them explaining that that we met a lot of UPSC aspirants at the Delhi Secretariat today, and they called us here and asked us to meet the students. We have come here to talk about the UPSC aspirants, about the law that the Delhi government is going to bring, and we have come here to talk about the demands of students. But after the meeting of Atishi to the students of which are protesting at Rajinder Nagar, they were somehow they felt somehow happy that now ministers are coming. But some students on the other hand have been raising the question that is it too late? And definitely, because since Atishi is having 9 departments which works under her, so definitely there have been responsibility and accountability of the government, and not only of the government but also the senior officials who have been sitting here, because this is not very new that the PGs are operating like that the libraries are operating like that. It's been more than years when these things are are running like that. So definitely action is being demanded by the students. Is back to you, Asavri.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.